So for example, let's look at this exact scenario that I'm in right now. I have a shoulder, a good wide shoulder to the left of me. I am going faster than the flow of traffic. I will not ride up close to those cars just so I can stay in their line of sight. I don't believe in that. I'm putting distance, I'm creating distance between me and all of these cars that are to the right of me in case any one of them decides to change lanes and go into me. If they change lanes, I will have time to react and do whatever it is that I need to do to get out of that given situation and remain safe.